Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to create a Discord account on PC. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or just looking to join a community, Discord is a fantastic platform to connect with others. So let's get started. The first step is to open your Chrome browser on your PC, then type in discord.com. And click enter. This will take you to Discord's official website. Once you are on the Discord homepage, click on the login button. Since you are new here, you'll need to click on register to create a new account. Here you will need to enter any of your email address that you are currently using, so make sure you have access to the email address that you are going to use right now. So, I am going to enter my email address. Then you have to create a unique username and set a secure password. Before creating your username, you have to create display name that will appear at the top of your Discord account. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you have created the password, now you have to select your date of birth. First, you have to select the month, the date, and the year. As if you are less than 13 or 12 years of age, I guess you are not allowed to have a Discord account. So make sure to enter your date of birth correctly and then click on continue. Now here you have to go through this verification process by selecting this box that says I am human. Click on it. Then you will need to complete a quick CAPTCHA verification. So yeah, your new Discord account is ready, and that's how you can simply create a new Discord account on PC. And yeah, that's my username at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.